rocks in here to keep them from putting their eggs underneath the stand. So I'm gonna come in here and look for eggs. This is the nesting box they typically use. We didn't give them mealyworms yesterday, so that's really what's keeping them laying, is mealworms through the winter. We think we get about 6 to 7, sometimes 8 eggs a day during the winter time. It's warmed up today though. And lots of hay. Let's see how warm it is in here. It's pretty warm. It's about 60 degrees. And I'm in the house, so sunshine doesn't We're going to the pond. Let's see if we can catch them over here. It's pretty much frozen. So far and then it's frozen. Lala. Who is that? Who is it, handsome? Pretty boy. Favorites. And the red rooster chases the boys. He thinks he's the boss. Okay, so tonight we're having salmon. I thought I would include y'all in the video. This is salmon steaks. They're about 2 to 3 ounces a person. It's a total of about 14 ounces of Atlantic fresh salmon that's not been frozen. I've brushed it with some olive oil, thyme, garlic, and salt and pepper. That's it. I've heated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to pop this in the oven and cook it for 10 minutes. And then after the 10 minutes, we're going to jack up the heat to 450 and cook it another 5 to 8 minutes. And then I'll turn the camera back on and we'll do a sauce for the top of it. And this recipe is really for those people who say that I don't really make healthy food. So this is just a dinner that we're doing tonight, and it's salmon, so it's really healthy. Salmon is excellent for the keto diet that's real popular right now. So this is a great recipe for those that are following that diet. Okay, well, we have a few minutes left on the salmon in the oven at 450. I'm going to make the sauce for the top of the salmon. So I've got a 1/3 cup of sour cream. I've got 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm using Duke's, but you could use just any real mayonnaise. I would stay away from a salad dressing just because it's going to have sugar in it. We're going to do a little bit of pepper. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, so I'm going to do a little bit of that. And I'm going to use about a tablespoon of dill. And I'm just going to eyeball it. I can't do both with the camera. So, and then we're going to do a splash of lemon juice. Let's see if I can open it. I can't open it. Do a little splash of lemon juice. And we're going to put a little bit of garlic powder, and this is just plain old garlic powder. Just a little bit. And we're going to whisk this until it's all combined. I've also got a teaspoon of Dijon mustard in here. Okay, make sure it's all combined. I think I need a little bit more dill, but maybe, you know, this is all you're going to add. I always tweak recipes to my taste. So I'm going to add a little bit more dill in here. And dill goes a long way, so it's just a very pungent flavor. Obviously you use it for pickles, but dill is excellent on salmon. Okay, let's get our salmon steaks out of the oven and we'll prep them for our dinner. Okay, I have the salmon taken out of the oven, and as you can see, the bottom is crispy and the top is going to be really flaky and just delicious. I've also got some green beans steaming over here, and then I'm going to pair this with some leftover rice, vegetable and rice mix. So we're going to plate this up, and then we're going to put our sauce on our salmon, and we'll be back. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is add our sauce to our salmon. And there's our dinner. Thank you guys for joining us. I appreciate the view. And for all those people out there that say that I don't cook healthy, twice a week at least, we have a healthy meal. I hope you'll join us next time on the next video. Have a blessed